Let us remain standing for
and by the laws, rules and regulations
of the Philippine Eagles,
and aware of my responsibility to my God and country. Do hereby pledge to promote and defend at all times said Eagles Constitution, and by the laws and their ideas to the best of my ability within my power and capability. So help me God.
Thank you.
thank you, Lord.
Let us remain standing. Field Director, I now call our lead seminar here at St. Michael Archangel Institute. Adjourn. Congratulations. Mabuhay! 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 Mabuhay!